So you found that perfect pair of jeans online, but how do you ensure they'll fit just like your favorite pair at home? That's where understanding a measurement guide becomes your secret weapon. A measurement guide typically breaks down key dimensions such as waist, front rise, thigh, knee, leg opening, back rise, and inseam. Comparing these measurements with a pair you already own gives you a solid idea of how your new denim will fit. So let's break it down step by step. To measure the waist, lay your jeans flat, pulling the back waistband to match the front. Place the measuring tape across the top, then note the measurement. For the rise, measure the center point of the crotch to the top of the front waistband. For the thigh, start from the crotch's midpoint and measure across. For the knee, there's a few ways to do this, but we'll measure 12 inches down from the inseam, then note the width. To measure the leg opening, measure from the outseam to the inseam at the bottom of your jeans leg. For the back rise, measure from the crotch's center to the top of the waistband, and finally the inseam, measure along the inner leg from crotch to hem. Armed with these measurements, you'll confidently decode any size chart and make informed decisions when shopping for jeans online. Remember, while this helps, nothing beats trying the jeans on yourself. Elements like the weight of the denim, how much stretch the fabric has, and more will affect the fit as well, and we'll cover that all in an upcoming video. So if you are buying online, just remember to always double check the return policy, or worst case, just pop into a local store and try the jeans on in person. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more fashion tips and tricks. Until next time, stay stylish and stay tuned to RadialTV.